pitching to an investor, whether you have 5 minutes or you have that investor's attention for say 30 minutes or an hour, which means it would be a meeting which you have specifically gained access to. Typically a startup has about 5-10 minutes to get an investor's attention. With the number of startups that an investor is typically seeing now, it could be on email or what they call as an elevator pitch, where you just met the investor for 5 minutes. I think the core thing that we at Startup Superfuel look at is very clearly the way we look at when we slice and dice when an entrepreneur approaches us, what are the few things we look at? We clearly look at how big is this problem from a market perspective that the startup is looking to solve, because the money, typically angel investors or seed investors, are looking to plow in money in spaces which are going to be scalable, the markets which are going to be big. So, a thumb rule that we use is that if in 5 to 7 years this is not a 300 to 500 crore opportunity in India, there is let's look at it more closely, because it doesn't seem to be worth putting in seed money. So one part is how big the problem or the market opportunity is. Second thing we look for is the quality of the solution and how differentiated it is from what others have attempted in the space, whether the differentiation is going to stand out and hold on for the next few years. And really, this is not about the tech IP alone. It's about how the founders are looking at how they're going to build the customer side, the distribution side, how strongly they are being able to articulate what they're going to do. So we talked about how big the problem is and how the quality of the solution. And in this case, we've clearly, when startups are pitching to us, we're clearly saying that we look for an early POC, an early commercial POC of the solution that they're bringing to the table, because an idea is not a business, and at least from and this I can only talk about the fund that we have. We clearly look at an early commercial POC where the product has not only hit the market but has early signs of customer and revenue traction. So that the fundamental assumptions in the business model can be validated. And the third thing is, which is the most important thing, is the quality of the team, the balance in the founder mix, because in technology, which is the sector of our focus, we definitely look for strong tech founders, and with a combination of strong tech and commercial. And that's something which is, again, in Indian startups not that very common at this point. Strong tech startups don't have a good commercial bent of mind, and commercial startups are lacking the tech quality tech founder or co-founder. So we look for balanced teams as much as we can find them.